Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to make an Adobe Spark. So open your internet and type in Adobe Spark. Adobe Spark, it's kind of like a PowerPoint or a PPT, but it's better because you can record your voice speaking. So press enter, and it's probably going to be the first one, Adobe Spark. And when you get to the website, you have to, if it's your first time, you need to set up a free account. So you can click here, sign in, or start now. Either way is okay. Or here, get started now. Any of these will work. I'm going to click sign in. And if it's your first time, you have to choose how you want to set up your account. You can use your Gmail, your Facebook, your Apple ID, or other kind of email. I'm going to use other kind of email. And for me, if it's your first time, you have to put in your information and create your account. But for me, I already have an account, so I'm going to click here where it says sign in. I'm going to put my email address here and continue. My personal account, no school account. And then I'm putting my password. Okay. So if you're here, then you're going to go over to the left where you see the blue circle with the plus. So this is to start a new project. So click here. And then this box opens up. You're going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, down to number 7, video, and click video. When you see this, just skip, not important. And then when you see this part, start from scratch. Just click this, start from scratch. Okay, now you have to wait, wait a few seconds. Wait. Okay, now we can start. So this is your workspace, and down here you can see the different slides. So far we just have one. We have one slide. This is it. So you can add video if you have some video on your computer. You can add text, photo, icon. I don't know what that is. But I'm going to add some text. And I'm going to put, let's see, how I spend my time during the pandemic. So this is going to be the title of my Spark. And I'm going to record my voice speaking this. So I'm going to press this red circle and I'm going to hold it down, click it and hold it down with my mouse. So I'm going to click it and then you'll see the numbers counting 1, 2, 3, 4. How I spend my time during the pandemic. So now I can listen. How I spend my time during the pandemic. Okay, and now let's see. I'm going to change the music too. So I'm going to go over here and up at the top right says music. So there's different kinds of music. This music is happy. This music is relaxed music. Then there's rousing, thematic. Different kinds of music are here. So you can listen to some of them. Like, let's listen to this one. Okay, that one's all right. Let me listen to this one. Okay, let's listen to this one. It's kind of nice. I'm going to choose that one, so I'm going to click here on easy. Okay, so now if I listen again, you'll see that the music is changed. How I spend my time during the pandemic. Okay, good. So I want to add some pictures to this. So if I go up here with the little plus sign, it opens up, okay, video, photo. Let me add a photo. And then, did you see, okay, let me get rid of, oh, okay, let me do it again. And look over here on the right what happens when I click this and click photo. Now you see over here, I can either upload a photo or take a photo, or I can find free photos. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to find free photos. Search for a photo. How I spend my time during the pandemic. So let's see. Let me try pandemic. Okay, so I got these different, oops, I got these different photos here. Let's see. I kind of like this one. Let me do this one. So click. So that's not me, but it's easy. It's an easy photo, and she's wearing a mask, so that's kind of good. All right, so I want to add another slide. So I'm going to go down here and click plus. So now we have number two slide. So let me add some text. Actually, this one, I'm going to go over here. Notice the layout. I can choose full screen, split screen, caption, or title and text. So, the first one, this one was full screen. But this one, I think I'm going to do split screen. So we're going to have two parts here. Maybe on the left, I'm going to have some text, and on the right, I'm going to have a photo. So let's do text. Let's see. I spend a lot of time sleeping because sleeping is my favorite thing to do. And then over on the right, I'm going to add an image. Photo. Let's see. Let's do sleep. Sleep. Pictures of sleeping. Okay, maybe I'll take this one here. Okay, now I'm gonna record this. I spend a lot of time sleeping because sleeping is my favorite thing to do. And let me add another slide. So I'm gonna go down here. We got number 1, number 2. Let's do number 3. Here's number 3. Okay. Let's do this one, caption layout. Let me add photo. How about, let's see. Okay, I want to add pictures of my cats. So I have pictures of my cats on my computer. So I'm going to go here to go back, add photos, upload photo. So I'm going to go to my computer desktop and find, I have a picture of my cats. Let's see. Oh, there's my cat. It's kind of big. This is Marcia. Let's see. I think if I click here, yeah, I can make it smaller. Smaller. Okay, that's better. All right, and let's see. I want to add some text. Okay, here, text. I play with my kitty, Marcia. Then I'm going to record it. I play with my kitty, Marcia. Let's see. Let me add just one more slide. Okay. I also want to talk about that I spend a lot of time on my computer on Zoom. So let me do this last one here, title and text, just for fun. And photo, let me find free photos. Zoom, maybe? Oh, that's not really what I wanted. Let me do computer. Okay, yeah, computer is good. Let me do this one. I like that one. Okay, let me add some text. Okay, text. I mostly spend a lot of time on the computer. Teaching online on Zoom and studying graphic design and web development. Okay, let me record it. I mostly spend a lot of time on the computer, teaching online on Zoom and studying graphic design and web development. Okay, so that's it. Now I can listen to everything. I've got, 1, 2, 3, 4 slides here. I can listen to everything if I press this button over here, play. How I spend my time during the pandemic. I spend a lot of time sleeping because sleeping is my favorite thing to do. I play with my kitty, Marcia. I mostly spend a lot of time on the computer, teaching online on Zoom and studying graphic design and web development. Okay, good. So after you're finished making an Adobe Spark, you're going to go up here where it says Share. Click Share, and then you're going to Publish. So Share and then Publish. Click Publish, and then give it a title. Title, How I Spend My Time During the Pandemic. And here, create link. So now I need to wait. Look at this little bar up here, the orange bar, red bar. So I have to wait until it goes all the way across. Hopefully it won't take too long. There it goes. Come on, come on, come on. Tick, 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 tick. I can't whistle. Should just be a few more seconds, I hope. Don't worry about all this stuff. It doesn't matter. All this, you don't need to read this stuff. It's just blah, 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 blah. Oh. Okay, finally. Okay, so here's my link. I can share this link in class. So copy the link, and then you can paste the link into Canvas. All right, that's it. If you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to watching your Adobe Sparks.